Here is the thing about AI content production that most demos skip. They show you the output. They move on. They never show you what it takes to get there. The iterations, the handoffs between tools, the cost. The real question is not whether one generation looks good. The question is whether the whole workflow makes sense at scale. Here is the pipeline I have been running on Higgsfield for the past few weeks. 2 models. 1 subscription. A complete content production workflow from image to video to edit, without opening a single piece of editing software. The first model is Nano Banana 2 Lite. That is Google's fastest, most cost-efficient image model. It generates a high-quality image in about 4 seconds. 4 seconds. The price works out to roughly 3 cents per image at standard rates. The second model is Gemini Omni Flash. That is also from Google, their multimodal video generation model. It takes text, images, video, and audio all in one input, reasons across all of them at once, and produces a coherent scene. The native output is 720p at 24 frames per second. Here is how they work together. Nano Banana makes the image. You pass that image into Omni Flash. Omni animates it into a video. Then you edit it by just describing what you want to change. That is the whole pipeline. In 5 minutes. This is what I want to show you. 4 things that pipeline does that used to require an entire production team. I am going to start on the image side of Higgsfield. Find Nano Banana 2 Lite in the model selector. Here is the prompt. Generate a premium product lifestyle shot of a sneaker. White background, studio lighting, the shoe is slightly angled, clean and editorial. Place the text, launch day, legibly on the sole. Nano Banana generates this in about 4 seconds. The text lands correctly on the sole. That is the part that used to require manual compositing. Nano Banana 2 Lite handles it natively. Now I am going to take that image and pass it into Gemini Omni Flash as a reference. Here is the prompt. Use this product image as the reference. Generate a cinematic video of someone wearing this sneaker, running through rain on a city street at night. Keep the product recognizable and clearly lit. Omni Flash reads the reference image. It generates a person wearing the shoe in the described environment. The product is present and lit to match the scene. That is the image-to-video handoff working correctly. Omni understands physics. Water splashes correctly. Cloth moves with weight. The motion follows real physical logic. Here's the part that actually replaces editing software. You do not go into a timeline. You do not open After Effects. You describe the change. The prompt is simple. Change the background from a rainy city street to a desert at sunset. Keep the same person and the same shoe. Watch what happens. Omni Flash does not just overlay the character on a new background. It rebuilds the entire scene around the person. The lighting changes to warm sunset tones. The ground becomes sand. The clothing, the motion, the physics all adjust to the new environment. The character and the product stay consistent. Here is another one. Now make it a slow-motion shot with a wide cinematic lens. The camera is far back. Omni Flash regenerates the clip with a wider frame and slower motion. The camera pullback is natural. The pacing is different. The person and the shoe are still there. You do not touch a timeline. You do not adjust keyframes. You describe the change. The model makes it. The practical difference this makes is real. With traditional software, that camera move and that background swap are separate operations that require different skills, different tools, and time. With Omni Flash, both are the same action, a sentence. Here is the practical value of the full pipeline. If you are building a product campaign, you need the same shoe in different contexts. Different environments, different lighting, different compositions. Historically, that meant either the same model coming back for another shoot, expensive and slow, or generating each shot separately with no consistency between them. With this pipeline, you hold character and product consistency across environments. I take the original Nano Banana image and pass it into Omni Flash with a completely different scene description. Here is the prompt. Generate a cinematic close-up of this product. The shoe is on a wooden floor, morning light coming through a window, shallow depth of field, warm tones. Omni Flash generates the shoe in a completely different environment. The product is the same. The setting is entirely new. The lighting is warm and natural. One reference image producing 2 distinct campaign assets. a lifestyle video and a product close-up, with the shoe consistent across both. The practical implication: one person can produce a full product campaign in an afternoon. You do not need a studio, a model, a photographer, a colorist, or a post-production team. You need someone who can brief these models clearly and knows what the final output should look like. That changes the cost structure of content production significantly. Nano Banana 2 Lite is fast enough to change how you work. 4 seconds per image means you can generate dozens of variations in the time it used to take to render one. 100 variation test used to be a serious budget decision. With this cost structure, it is a default step in the workflow. The pricing matters here. 3 cents per image is cheap enough that iteration does not feel expensive. $1 buys you roughly 30 image variations. For context, one professional product photo at an agency runs $50 to a few $100s. You can run hundreds of iterations at that price point before you hit the cost of one traditional shoot. Omni Flash is priced at 10 cents per second of output. The conversational editing is included. You make as many revision passes as you need inside the session. There is no per-edit pricing. You describe the change, Omni Flash regenerates. You iterate until the result matches your vision. The iteration loop is tight. You generate an image, you pass it to Omni Flash. You watch the video. You describe a change. Omni Flash applies it. You watch again. The feedback cycle is immediate. That is how actual creative work feels. You have a point of view, you communicate it, the model responds, you refine. The thinking stays in the thread. Here is where the use cases open up. Rapid image prototyping into video. You generate a reference, you animate it, you have a finished asset in minutes. Remix and transform existing footage. You upload a clip, you pass a reference image, Omni Flash reshapes the scene around it. Product and commercial content. You generate the product image, you animate it, you edit it to match the campaign brief. Interior design and visualization. You generate a reference space, you pass it to Omni, you animate the room to life. Character and narrative filmmaking. You generate a reference character image, you pass it to Omni, you generate them in different scenes while holding their face and physical characteristics consistently. Social media and creator content. You prototype at speed, you iterate at low cost, you ship more content more often. This is it. Not one model, a pipeline. Image, video, and conversational editing working together. Both models are live on Higgsfield now. Go to higgsfield.ai. Find Nano Banana 2 Lite in the image models. Find Gemini Omni Flash in the video models. Run the pipeline. Start with the image. Animate it. Edit it by talking to it. That is the whole thing. Go set it up.